Go for it.
Yeah. Wait, one more try.
Okay.
One more try, okay?
Well, keep going. Yeah, go for it.
And try it out.
Just keep focused. Don't rush it. There you go. Perfect. Let's do it again and see if you can do the lunge better at the end. That was a good one. You're a little wobbly.
Awesome. Perfect.
Good one. But remember, you got to hold it for a while. You got to hold your stick.
Okay.
One more.
One more time. Hold it, okay?
Hold your stick and do your salute.
Whoa, whoa. Try again.
Remember to breathe and focus.
Bring your feet forward. There you go. Oh!
That was a handstand.
Stick it and salute.
Good job.